Hey, what's up, guys? Are you tired of your footage looking like this, but you really want it to look like this? I think I got the answer to your problems. Come on, follow me real quick. Alright, what's good, YouTube? We back with another one today. We're gonna be going over Fred Pele VHS cam plugin. For you ones that's out there trying to get that VHS effect or that VHS look, this is the plugin to go to. I feel like, in my personal opinion, I've used it in many music videos I don't work in. It's simple as a click of a button. But let's get right into it. Go to Windows, Extensions, and once that comes up, press the refresh. You'll hit launch. Alright, so this is the first one, and this is the master track that it created. What I really like about it though is, the different presets that it got to come with it. That's the interlace. Aspect ratio, I usually do 16:9, that old VHS look. And you just press the refresh button to just go back to your basic settings. So like I said, it's cool. Like, it comes with different types of cameras, and you can't go wrong with it. The mosaic, static, flicker, V-shake. It has glitches. You could even do the rewind effect. So say you can also change the overlays, or you can take them off. But yeah, bro, cool plugin though, man. Not too much on this video today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, leave your thoughts and opinions. Do you think this VHS cam plugin is a game changer, or do you think it's best to just stick with the organic way of doing it? Peace.